Hello everybody, my name is JBM Travels, the true UK traveller, and welcome back to another food review. This time I try Take 5 at 55, which is a cafe based in Manchester yet again, and it is based on the cheaper side of things, yes. And I'm going to go inside and check the menu out and see what I like and order it. So I will see you inside. Take 5 at 55 Manchester is a cafe at the lower end, shall I say, of the price range. And the food was cheese and onion pie with chips and gravy, and it came to £5. The cheese and onion pie was good. It wasn't really good, but it was good. Probably the best thing on the plate. Now, some of the chips tasted really old, like an old batch a couple of hours ago, and some tasted really fresh and okay, and some tasted even more fresh and really nice. It tasted like 2 or 3 batches had been mixed together. The chips were... If it weren't for that pie, I would have just left the whole thing. Now, oh my days, I don't even want to say it. Gravy was vile. To the point of it had no flavour whatsoever. It was just like someone gave you some hospital food, or someone threw up some sick in a hospital, shall I say. Disgusting. Never again. Maybe the other food on the menu is okay, is better, I don't know. Maybe I had a bad batch, I don't know. But I feel like what a waste of £5, even though the cheese onion pie was good. Not really good, not excellent, just good. If I was to give the pie a rating, I would give it a rating of 7.6 out of 10. With the chips, 6.8 out of 10. Overall, with the gravy, a whooping 5 out of 10. Because the gravy let it down so much, yep. It had no flavour whatsoever. It was like a bowl of sick going into my mouth. But the pie had flavour. It was so cheesy. In my opinion, it was a bit too cheesy. To the point where I didn't really taste the onion. At times I did, but a lot of the times I didn't. No. But it was only £5. And it was an experience. Would I go there again? Probably not. Overall rating is a 5 out of 10 for Take 5 at 55 Manchester. I highly don't recommend this place, but maybe the other food is better. I don't know because I haven't tried any of the other food, but who knows. Until the next video or the next food review, I hope you enjoyed this one, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video right after this one. Bye for now. Bye.